Just a Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and Olive that I use for work, and just a quick glimpse of last week where I used stickers from According to Ali. So I used her leaves, her lined leaves, and then her Thankful stickers. Love the way that that looks, especially with the caramel sparkle ink in my fountain pen. So for this week, because it is, well, Monday is Thanksgiving, I am using this Grace gift from Let's Plan It. So I believe this is the, which kit is this? The mini kit. I chose to get the mini kit, and then I added the deco sheet, and the mini kit actually comes with those 2 pages as well as the date covers, and then I added the supplemental sheet. Let's get started. Okay, so I've gone ahead and whited out all of the days of the week, and instead of using the date covers that are included in the spread, I'm actually going to use the blackout days that I've got from my shop. Ooh, there's left. Now, how do I want to place everything? I feel like this massive sticker, I feel like I'm actually going to put this on Monday because Monday is a day off for me, so I really won't have anything to go on Monday, and Lucy's gonna whine now. Hold on. So then I will put down the Monday date cover, and I'll actually put it a little bit off center. I actually prefer it slightly off center. Then let's see, maybe this, or again, put a little of this washi with the green, or this washi. No, that's a bit too busy. I like this one. So just place that over, and is it straight? Because knowing me, it probably won't be. There you go. And then put the Tuesday and Wednesday date covers on there. There we go. And Wednesday. I actually really like these blackout date covers, if I do say so myself. I feel like it adds something else to the spread. And then Thursday, I feel like I could still use these. Actually, no, I'll use this. I almost feel like I should save some of these for like down here, and maybe this one. I almost feel like it's too much having all of them there, so maybe okay, let's add some of this washi. Actually right over Friday, and then add a little bit of this washi. Ooh, I enjoy that. And then put down Thursday and Friday. Oh, I really like the black with it. Beautiful. Okay. Because this is a day, I feel like I need to get a day off sticker. Hold on. Alright, so I have this day off sticker from Pretty Cute Planner. Just going to place it right there. Then put this away before I forget. Okay, I won't need this right now. So what I'm thinking of doing, I like the Do This stuff. And I'll probably have it for 4 days out of the week. Let me just see. Okay, the thing I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of this here. And I'm gonna add different washi. Actually, maybe add one of these down to the bottom. And I'm gonna cut them. Because I do like the layering. And then just seeing how much I'll actually use. So what I'll do, I'll put a don't forget, because normally in these sections I put important notes and things. And then I'll do for here this week, things to remember, and then I'm actually going to put this one right here. Okay. Ooh, I am actually really liking that. So now I think I'm going to be done with, am I going to be done with the stickers? Yeah, I think I'm going to be done with the stickers and then go in with my Tombow Duo brush pens and just write in the meetings and then to-dos, and we'll go from there. So there's the overall finished spread, and I actually really like how simple it is. It'll give me plenty of room to write. And I think with the darker Tombow, I will be probably using my white Jelly Roll pen. And then for some other days, I'll probably be using my Lamy Vista with the caramel sparkle in there as well. I will be doing a separate video probably sometime later on next week about my accumulated fountain pen collection, and I say accumulated and it's just very new, but anyway, that's a different video altogether. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.